Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. I want to talk today about charting software. Charting software is important as a trader because in charting software you normally have a window with three different areas. You have trading charts with the different pairs you can choose from, adding indicators, etc. So normally it comes as a bare chart with just price action or candlesticks. Then you have an area where you have a buy and a sell button for each individual pair, and you can put stop losses in, take profit, etc. And then you have another section at the bottom where you see your open positions and you look at closed positions, etc. The charting software I use and we use with ATS is called xStation. And xStation is when we're trading algorithmically, is only used just to monitor. You don't need to place trades, although you can place trades with xStation. We use ATS, which is the algorithmic trading software on the side, to actually design the strategies, create the strategies, back test the strategies, etc., etc. So that's one. I just want to explain the difference between the two. So you have charting software, which is xStation, and you have ATS, which is algorithmic trading software by Tradinsights, powered by Tecton, and those two are linked behind the scenes with an interface that you never see, you don't need to see, but they are two explicitly linked platforms together. But you know what? I'll show you a quick video now of the two in hand so you can understand a little bit more. Thanks for watching. Hi everybody, welcome to this video. This is to show you the different platforms that we use when we're using ATS by Tradinsights, powered by Tecton. So most traders, when they're trading, are looking at a window such as this, which has three different areas. We have our charting area here, which is looking at whichever instrument we are looking at. This one is looking at Euro, US dollar, and we can see the other tabs at the bottom with the other currency pairs that we may look at. We can also use this little drop down area here to choose the different currency pairs that's available to us. We can also use this area here to look at the different time frames. Notice also we have this area over here, which is where we have our currency pairs. So we can see the market is moving up and down already, as we see. And if we click this one here, we can then look at the current buying price and the current selling price. Now traditionally this is where you would place your trades when you're trading using a manual window. This area at the bottom here is where your open positions or closed positions may appear. If you wish to add another chart, for example, you want to add a chart that's not listed at the bottom here. Let's say you want to choose Kiwi Yen, for example. You would type NZD JPY and then use this area here, open chart, and it will open you a chart nicely like that. Now it will also add the indicators that are already preloaded if you've preloaded them. If not, it will just add you a bare price. Now this area here on the charting is where you add your various indicators and draw lines. So for example, if you want to add a moving average, you click here, type MOV, exponential moving average, and you can type the number in here. Everything else is set to explanatory. So choose the color that you want and it will put your moving average on quite nicely on your chart. Okay, so this is your charting area. Okay, your charting area. Now we're going to look at the area where you can actually create your strategies. So this is your create your strategies area with systems already running, etc., etc. You can actually create strategies. You can look at the current overall state of this, for example. So you can go here and look at the current state of play with this particular strategy that you're running, how many trades it's taken, and this should mirror what you actually see on your xStation. Okay, notice the account number here is the same as the account number here. So this is where we look at trading test history. We can look at trade history. We can look at what's actually been going on in the trade. We can look at an overview. We can check the strategy itself we're using. We can see what currently trades are running, if any. So you can see here we've had 5 trades, 3 winners and 2 losers. So it shows you everything in ATS, but it doesn't show you charts. Okay, that will be coming later, but this is something that is a really good system to use. It allows you to create strategies without the need for coding knowledge, without the need for IT knowledge, and you don't even need to buy any robots or signals to plug into this. You just create your own strategies, and if you want to know how to do that, check out our previous videos where you'll see how that works as well. This video is just to show you the difference between the strategy builder ATS by Tradinsights and the charting software xStation, which is what the two are linked. The two are linked between each other, so when your conditions are met that you've created here, they will execute in this platform here. Hope that makes sense, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Bye for now.